Bahay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
It's Survivor, you know. Who doesn't want to play this game?
Ang nakaraan sa Survivor Philippines.
Ang susunod na castaway na napatalsik sa isla at ika-apat na miyembro ng ating jury, Gino.
Gino, nagsalita na ang iyong tribo. Paalam.
Ang usapan namin was si Arnold today. And surprisingly, nagulat ako kasi yung alliance ko mismo yung bumoto sa akin. And to think ito yung mga alliance ko na pinoprotektahan ko from Arnold.
Back at camp, and I'm shocked, to say the least. When Gino's name came up during tribal council, I had nothing to do with it, and I had no clue it happened, and I wish it didn't happen, but it did. So you got to move on. So I said to them, I was like, all right, well, I guess that was a good move. I can't dwell on the fact that it happened, because now for me, my big partner just got voted out. Now I gotta hold on. I gotta scramble. I gotta find my alliance.
Wala din akong alam tulad ni Casey doon sa nangyaring vote. Pero masaya ako na yung partner ko napunta sa jury at alam niyang hindi ako yung reason kung bakit na-betray siya. Na ini-expect niya from the start. Kaya ayaw niya akong maging kaalyansa dahil baka mag-betray ako sa kanya.
Na-confuse siya, hindi niya alam kung saan pupunta. But the thing is, wala naman side eh. Siya lang yung gumagawa eh.
Na-prove sa kanya na yung mga kaalyansa niya ang nag-betray at hindi ako.
At the end of the day, Gino had to go. I think this was the best plan we had together.
I saw Gino as a threat, and that really motivated me more to get him out of the game. And of course, I had a personal vendetta against Gino. I said he was the one that voted out Johnny.
He single-handedly plotted against Johnny, and he took him out.
What?
No, I'm just saying. He took out Johnny without telling him. For me, it was bittersweet because we took him out after he took out Johnny.
Nagulat si Gino. Pero hindi alam ni Gino na siya yung binoto naming apat. So that night, napatasik si Gino. Hindi niya in-expect. Marami siyang questions sa mukha niya.
It's about you.
He just changed everything.
That's the way it works in this case.
Sa gabing yun, napansin ko kay Mara, sobrang naging sassy. Sassy na parang, ahaha, kami ang gumawa ng move na yan. Pakiramdam ko, okay, fine, kayo ni Arnold, sige, yung love team nyo, Marnie all the way, ganon. Kami ni Casey, okay, nandito pa kaming dalawa, hello, sassy kayo, dalawa lang kayo, sa amin si May at Betong.
Better win reward tomorrow. If Casey wins reward, he's not gonna pick us.
Casey was rejected.
Are you sure?
He has no choice. For the first time, he has no choice. He's my wife, he's my
After a plan failed to vote me out, and then my partner gets voted out, I feel that I'm actually at this point I'm scared.
Yung mga pagyayabang na gano'n, yung mga gano'n, hindi ko na lang pinapansin.
Oh, I'm just so happy. I was so scared. I wasn't scared, really. I was so peaceful today. Today was like the most peaceful tribal council.
So, Kebs, sa akin, kung magiging mayabang kayo dahil natanggal nyo siya o tingin nyo magaling na move, abangan nyo na lang susunod na tribal council.
Susunod sa Survivor Philippines.
Si Johnny isa sa taong hindi makaget over sa pagka-vote out sa kanya. So parang laging inis na inis siya, nagmumura siya.
Mami, save ako ng ulo yung Tsaka si Casey. Gino, binoto mo ako, lolo ka. Paparali ko yung tuhod mo eh.